What if I told you that $1.25 billion just changed the entire game for institutional crypto? Ripple didn't just buy a company. They just became the first crypto giant to own a global prime broker. This changes everything. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. If you've been following Ripple, you know they're all about bridging traditional finance with digital assets. But with their recent acquisition and launch of Ripple Prime, they're taking it to a whole new level. This could reshape how big players handle crypto. Stick around as we break it down: what it is, how it works, and why it matters for your portfolio. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more crypto insights that build generational wealth. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is Ripple Prime? In October 2025, Ripple completed a massive $1.25 billion acquisition of Hidden Road, a leading non-bank prime broker. Hidden Road specialized in clearing, prime brokerage, and financing across assets like foreign exchange, digital assets, derivatives, swaps, and fixed income. Now rebranded as Ripple Prime, this makes Ripple the first crypto company to own and operate a global, multi-asset prime broker. Think of a prime broker as the ultimate middleman for big institutions like hedge funds and trading firms. They handle everything from executing trades to managing risks and providing loans. Ripple Prime expands this into the crypto space, offering a one-stop shop that integrates traditional finance, or TradFi, with blockchain tech. Since the announcement, Ripple Prime's business has already grown threefold, and it's poised for even more expansion. This isn't just another crypto exchange. It's a platform that lets institutions trade, clear, finance, and custody assets all in one place, spanning both fiat and digital worlds. To understand Ripple Prime's new role, let's look at the backstory. Ripple has been on an acquisition spree over the last couple of years, snapping up companies like G-Treasury for treasury management, Rail for payments, Standard Custody, and Mataco for secure storage. The Hidden Road deal is the crown jewel, announced earlier in 2025 and closed just days ago. Hidden Road's founder, Mark Ashe, is now working with Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, to integrate the teams. The synergy here is huge. Both companies share a global footprint, cutting-edge tech, and strong risk management. This move positions Ripple as a full-fledged fintech powerhouse, not just a payments company. Now, let's get into the nuts and bolts. Ripple Prime modernizes prime brokerage by embedding blockchain right into the core operations. Institutions start with KYC and KYB onboarding. That's Know Your Customer and Know Your Business checks, to ensure everything's compliant. Once in, they can deposit funds, like USD, which can be converted to RLUSD, Ripple's stablecoin. From there, it's all about seamless trading. You can execute trades across FX, derivatives, fixed income, and crypto, with instant on-chain settlement via the XRP ledger, or XRPL. No more waiting days for clears. It's real time. Key features include cross-margining. Use collateral from one asset to offset risks in another, optimizing your capital. Unified collateral management. Handle everything in one dashboard, reducing the need for multiple accounts. Risk and reporting. Automated, transparent on-chain records for audits and compliance. Ripple Prime integrates deeply with Ripple's ecosystem. XRP acts as a bridge currency for fast, low-cost liquidity, perfect for intraday transfers or cross-border moves. RLUSD, backed by reserves at BNY Mellon and rated A for stability, serves as reliable collateral for derivatives and balances. Together, they create a hybrid system: XRP for speed, RLUSD for steadiness. For example, imagine a hedge fund buying XRP with RLUSD. The trade settles instantly on the XRPL, collateral adjusts automatically, and profits can be transferred globally in seconds. This beats traditional systems hands down. Why does this matter? For institutions, Ripple Prime means massive efficiency gains. Capital efficiency through cross-margining frees up funds for more investments. Speed and transparency cut risks and provide instant audit trails. Way better than the old T+2 settlement delays. Costs drop thanks to low-fee blockchain transactions, and interoperability lets you move between TradFi and DeFi without headaches. On a bigger scale, Ripple Prime is rewriting brokerage by making blockchain a core part of institutional finance, not just an add-on. It's challenging legacy systems like Swift by offering a platform-centric alternative. This could accelerate crypto adoption among big players, turning speculation into everyday operations. Traders like James Wynn are even betting big on XRP because of this. In the crypto market, it positions Ripple as a leader in institutional tools, potentially boosting XRP and RLUSD usage. And for us as individual investors, when institutions move in with this kind of infrastructure, it validates the entire space and creates upward pressure on assets like XRP. Looking ahead, Ripple Prime is part of a vertically integrated ecosystem, from custody to brokerage. We might see tokenized securities or real-time global operations become the norm. Ripple's vision of an Internet of Value with XRP at the center is getting real, and we're witnessing it unfold right now. In summary, Ripple Prime isn't just a new product. It's a bridge to the future of finance, making crypto accessible and efficient for institutions, while creating opportunities for everyday investors like us. Want to stay ahead of moves like this? For trending topics and actionable crypto insights, join our Insiders Club on our website at GenerationalWealth.biz. For the rest of the year, we're offering new members access for only $3 per month. Then it goes up to $5 per month. That's less than a coffee for institutional-level crypto intelligence delivered straight to you. What do you think? Is this the push crypto needs to go mainstream? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more wealth-building crypto content. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support. See you on the next one.